How to disable background app refresh on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to disable background app refresh on Android. Without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. Open up your settings menu first. Once you are on settings, all you have to do is find your developers option. If you don't know how to find it, or if you haven't already turned that on, go over to About Phone. Then from there, head over to software information. And finally, all you have to do is find the build number and keep tapping on it 7 times or more to enable developers option. Now quickly go back. And at the very bottom, you'll find your developers option. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is scroll through these options here and find the background process limit. So keep scrolling here until you find background process limit under apps and then simply tap on it. Now to disable the background app refresh or to put limit on it, just select no background process and your app won't stay on your background just like that. And if you want to enable it back again, you just select 1, 2, 3, or up to 4 processes at most. And if you want to keep it on standard limit, you can do that by tapping on standard limit as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.